আচ্ছা, চ্যাপ্টারটা হচ্ছে এক্সপানশন অফ ফাংশন। ফর ক্লাস 9 or 10. So students, you are all, তোমরা এই ফর্মুলাগুলো মুখস্থ রাখবে, লার্নিং করবে। সবাই নিশ্চয়ই জানো এই ফর্মুলাগুলো। নাম্বার 2, a minus b whole square, a square twice ab plus b square. Number 3, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Number 4, a plus b whole cube, a cube, b cube, 3a square b, 3a b square, otherwise a cube, b cube, plus 3ab within bracket a plus b. And also number 5, a minus b whole cube, that will be a cube plus b cube, minus b cube, 3a square b plus 3ab square. So it is a cube minus b cube, taking common ab, then a minus b in the bracket. Number 6, এই যে x plus a, x plus b যদি মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হয়, নিশ্চয়ই প্রসিডিওর জানো। ফার্স্ট অফ অল x ইন্টু x plus b, a ইন্টু x plus b. So x square, bx, ax, and then ab. So x square, taking common x, a plus b plus ab, like that. And question number 7, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, actually then we can write a cube, b cube, and c cube equal to 5 abc. And how is possible? Taking a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b equal to minus c, cubing both sides. Cubing both sides, a plus b whole cube equal to minus c cube, and it will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab within bracket a plus b and minus c cube, a cube plus b cube plus ab bracket a minus c cube, a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Okay, now see some example for the chapter a plus b whole square. And if the example we have to show here, 2x plus 7y whole square. You know the formula a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square 2ab plus b square. Okay, see here. So this is a. So you should write a 2x whole square, 2ab, 2x, and 7y. This is b, and 7y whole square. And simplify the figure. 2 2 is 4, 4 7 is 28 xy, and 7 square 49 y square, like that. Okay. And number 3, see 3x minus twice x, 1 by twice x whole square, same as a minus b whole square. So this is a, minus 2a, b means 1 by twice x plus twice x whole square, 9x square, x cancel, 2 cancel, that is 3, 1 by 4x square. And see here the question number x minus 7, x plus 9, like that. X into x plus 5 minus 7 into x plus 5 also. X is the x square, 5x is the 5x, 7x is the 7s, and 35. Then 5x minus 7x, then it will be twice x minus 35. Okay, that is your answer. Now I can see question number 5 in your exercise. look here, x minus twice y minus z whole cube, and that will be you should take as a e. Let we can write a is equal to x minus twice y, so we can write a minus z whole cube and apply the formula a cube minus z cube minus thrice a square b plus thrice a b square. Now put the value of a. A means x minus twice a, x minus twice a whole cube, and z means z cube. 3 into a means x minus twice a whole square and z, and 3a means x minus twice a into z square. And now for apply the formula a minus b whole cube z cube, and now write the a minus b whole cube, and it will be a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b, this is okay, plus 3ab square, okay, like that, and z cube 3z, and apply the square formula x square 4y square minus 4xy. Then again multiply the z square with x minus twice y, and also 3 z square x, 3 to the 6 y and z square. This is the expansion of that. Okay, এগুলো সিম্পলিফাই করে নিলেই হয়ে যাবে, তোমাদের যোগ বিয়োগ করে নিলেই পেয়ে যাবে, ঠিক আছে? And also see question number 10. See here, question number 10. Look here, a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. You can write a square twice ab plus b square, and also a square minus twice ab by b square. So cancel plus minus twice ab. A square is equal to a square, b square is equal to b square. Okay. And see the another formula of like a cube plus b cube. In the formula exercise question number 8, like a cube plus b cube, and there are the two type of formula. Number one, factorize formula a plus b, a square, ab plus b square, and now also you can write a plus b whole cube minus thrice ab within the bracket a plus b. Same as question number 9, a cube minus b cube. There are the formula a minus b, a square, b square plus ab. Okay, either a minus b whole cube minus plus 3ab within bracket a minus b. Okay, so this is the formula. In the case of, for the example number 17, you can see that here are 2p plus 3q, 2p plus 3q, 4p square minus 6pq plus 9i square. From the formula of this we can apply the a cube plus b cube form as a plus b, a square, ab plus b square. We can express this type of expression. Now see here, a means, let us assume a means লেট করতে হবে না, তোমরা এইভাবেই লিখবে, নাহলে অনেক লেট ফেট করতে গেলে এই জায়গাটা বড় হয়ে যাবে। এই জায়গাটা অন্তত লিখে দাও টয়েস পি হোল স্কোয়ার, এই জায়গাটাতে লিখতে পারো 3y, it is cube, sorry cube, this is cube, 3q square and minus ab twice p into 3q. Now apply a plus b, a square, ab plus b square. We can write a cube plus b cube, that is 8pq plus 27 q to the power q. This is your expression. Now question number Roman 2 question number 15, part 2. See here, 5 minus twice x, 5 plus twice x 25 plus 4x square. And you know the formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a minus b and a plus b. Now apply first of the two factor. See here a square minus b square. So 5 square minus twice a whole square, and also 25 plus 4x square. This is 25 4x square. This is 25 4x square. Again a plus b, a minus b. So 25a square minus 4x square whole square. 625 minus 4 4 16 x to the 4. Okay. And now see another extension, a plus b plus c is equal to into a square b square c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, and this is the factor of aq, bq, cq minus thrice abc. You can write. Okay, তোমরা এটা মনে রাখবে. This is the formula of that. aq, bq, cq minus thrice abc means this. এটা দিয়ে অনেকগুলো কাজ করা যাবে. যেমন ধরো example number 19, twice x, 3y and 4z, 4x square, 9y square, 16z square, 6xy, 12yz minus 8zx. এই ব্যাপারটা কীভাবে লিখছি দেখে নাও. twice x, this is a, thrice y, this is b, 4z, this is c, twice x square, 3y square, 4z square, ab, 2x into 3y, 2x into 4z, 3y into 4z. This is your given expression. Now you can write 2x whole cube, 3y whole cube, 4z whole cube minus 3 abc, মানে twice x and 3y and 4z. Okay, this is the formula. A plus b plus c, a square ab plus b square minus ab minus bc minus c. This means aq plus bq plus cq minus thrice abc. Okay, so you can write again 2 cube means 8x cube, 27y cube, 64z cube, and 3 into 2 into 3 into 4 x, y and z. Okay, and now see here 23rd, given that the 101 whole square, we can write 100 plus 1 whole square, 100 square, 200 dot 1 plus 1 square. 100 square means this is 200 plus 1, so 200 add. তিনটে ফিগার এই জায়গাটা যাবে. So 10201, this is your answer. Okay, see 28 on your exercise number 3.1. A plus b plus c is equal to 0, and find the value of, so you can write aq, bq, cq is equal to thrice abc. Okay, therefore we can write this. And now see that a square by bc, b square by ca, c square by ab, what is the value? Taking LCM abc, so aq plus bq plus cq. Okay, and then this will be 3ABC from this, and here ABC, or cancel ABC. Answer is 3. Without expansion, we have to find the value of that. 27 cube minus 17 cube plus 110 cube, and see the addition of that. A 27 minus 17 minus 10, their addition is 0. So since you have applied the property A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then you can write AQ, BQ, CQ equal to thrice ABC, thrice ABC. So this will be 3 into 27 into minus 17 into minus 10. That is your answer. Okay.